We're at the legendary Dragon Ball Z restaurant, Super Saiyan. This place is fire. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Super Saiyan. Super Saiyan, baby. Hello, how are you? We got Goku, we got Vegeta, we got Goku, Super Saiyan. This place is fire. We're in the legendary Dragon Ball Z restaurant right now. Look, they got the Dragon Ball Z stuff everywhere here. And it's like a pho. It's like a pho restaurant. If you don't know what pho is, like a famous Vietnamese soup. It's so good, but here they make it amazing. But listen, we're here with Goku, the legend. We're gonna eat. I'm gonna order some food now. Perfect time to order, no one's in here. So let's see what the food tastes like. All right, let me show you what's in Vietnamese pho. You don't say that like pho. You say that like pho. You got beef broth, steak, beef brisket, and beef meatballs, and like a soup with noodles. It's super fire. They got the Super Saiyan Goku right there. They got Goku. They got a cereal. They got Goku eating noodles. They ain't playing around. They got the real deal collection, baby. That right there. Oh man. They got a serious collection. Look at this. This place is fire. Like the food is just as good. Look, they got the Goku meal, Ultra Instinct. 5 times the size of a regular bowl. It's crazy. They got this one signed right here. Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku. I wonder how much money that one's worth. Got the whole collection, man. I know these are worth some money. I know these are worth some money because I know Vegeta goes for like 10,000. Vegeta, the Vegeta one right here. One of these Vegetas go for like $10,000. Got Vegeta. Vegeta. Look at that Vegeta. They got the Gray Ape. Vegeta. Piccolo. Legendary. Super Saiyan Broly. It's crazy. Look at Beerus. Then they got the cell right here. Got the cell. Oh my god. Perfect cell. They got Frieza signed. They got Frieza signed right there. Look at Piccolo. That Frieza's crazy. This is the real deal right here. You got steak. You got the udon noodles. Oh my lord, look at that. The smell is crazy. Here's the meatballs. It's the pork meatballs right there. Look at those noodles. Noodles are massive. Oh my god. It's super hot. It's crazy hot. The flavor in that broth is fire. This place, oh my god. Look at these noodles. I got the udon noodles. You can get the traditional rice noodles, but I like these udons. Wait until we get to the meat. Let me grab the fork. Look how fat these noodles are. These udon noodles are super fat. Look. Thick. Those are some thick noodles. Thick boys. Ooh, let's try these noodles. They're nice. They're like chewy. They're kind of soft. They're not hard. The texture is amazing with these. Awesome texture with these noodles. Udon noodles and pho. If you've never had that, try that. Now we're gonna try the steak. Look at all this steak. Look how much steak they give you. It's crazy how much steak they give you. Look at that steak right there. Oh my god, look at that. Beautiful flavor. So earthy, like it's just good. It's been soaking. It's been soaking in that broth. Look at this broth. It's soaking with the cilantro, onions, all the good stuff, the scallops, all of that good stuff. It's been soaking in that super tender. The flavor is unreal. Then you hit it with the sriracha. Hit it with that sriracha, baby. Spice it up a little bit. Add a little bit of spice. Mix that in. And try the meatball. The Vietnamese meatballs are a little different. They got a different texture to them. They're gonna be different than what you're used to. Let me try to show you that. Let me try to show you this Vietnamese meatball. This is the Vietnamese meatball right here. You see that? That's some real meat right there. Got a little bit of like a bacon. Tastes kind of like bacon, but it's been cooking in the soup. Fire. This place is fire right here. Super Saiyan, legendary place in Orlando, Florida. The food's amazing. Like Dragon Ball Z stuff, you're gonna see amazing collection. This place is legit, man. Get the udon noodles, I'm telling you. Let me show you the rice noodles. These right here are the rice noodles. You see how thin they are? These are the rice noodles. These right here, thick boy udon noodles. They taste so much better. You gotta try these. Fire. Traditional Vietnamese pho. I'm gonna finish this. We out of here. Peace. Yo, this is the best Funko Pop right here. Over 9,000. Vegeta over 9,000. Oh, man, fire.